Hey there, are you looking to jumpstart your cybersecurity career? Look no further than PaniTech Academy's SOC Analyst Hands-On Bootcamp. Our bootcamp is designed to give you the hands-on experience and knowledge you need to succeed in the fast-paced field of cybersecurity. Our experienced instructors have real-world experience working as SOC analysts and will guide you through the latest tools and techniques used in the industry. You will learn how to detect and respond to cyber threats, conduct incident investigations, implement security controls, and threat hunt to protect your organization's sensitive information. Plus, you will get to work on real-world projects and simulations to give you the confidence and skills you need to excel on the job. Towards the end of the course, candidates will have shadowing sessions with industry professionals so they can see firsthand what it's like to work as a SOC analyst. Do not let a lack of experience hold you back from a career in cybersecurity. Sign up for PaniTech Academy's SOC Analyst Hands-On Bootcamp today and start your journey to a successful and fulfilling career in cybersecurity. Don't wait, spaces are filling up fast. Visit our website, PaniTechAcademy.com, or give us a call at 202-790-2928, 240-200-6474 to enroll today.